开始了。
那个我也靠近你这边，不用静静的，你不要靠太近了，你不要人静静的哦，只要这个飞机，看得见吗？This is the Shaft 3 UAV system made by manufactured by the Zero UAV, which located in Beijing, China. This is an excellent UAV system. The wind is about 1.66 meters. The max payload is about 500 grams, and the total takeoff weight is about 4.5 kg. The max flight speed is about 80 km per hour, and the cruise flight speed is in the range of 60 to 80 km per hour. The flight time is in the range of from 45 to 60 minutes. The flight distance is in the range of 5 to 20 km. You can get the whole system the ready to flight time is about 5 minutes, and after taking off, and you can recycle the whole system in 3 minutes. It is no any limitation to the flight place. That means you can fly this system in any place as you like. You can recycle this system with the parachute. That's all.